Hello everyone and welcome to the tutorial on creating a LLM deployment inside AIQ. For this we need to go to Live LLMs and click on Create Live LLMs. Then we have to name our deployment example Test Live LLM and click on Next. Choose from pre-trained LLMs as the source, then select the model name and the version of the model and click on Next. Now it's time to choose the desired resource configuration. AIQ offers options with different combination of CPU, GPU and memory. Customize parameters according to your needs and proceed to the next step. Next step is to choose auto-scaling metrics like replicas and utilization according to your requirement. After this, we need to enable model monitoring. The final step would be to review your selection and click on Create. Once the deployment is complete, locate it in the Live LLM section. Access the deployment where you can utilize the API endpoints for inference. Here you will find inference logs and metrics such as CPU, GPU and memory usage. Explore the deployment management section to reload, restart or to stop the deployment. AIQ further provides an option to auto-scale replicas, resources and utilization based on the inference demand. Customize your selection and save your preference. Head out to the chat section to input prompts and receive the desired responses. The test section allows you to access APIs effortlessly. Click on test and responses will be generated for both internal and external API endpoints. This is how we deploy large language models inside AIQ. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more such tutorials.